Dear senior friends, have you ever woken up in the morning and noticed your legs or knees are swollen? Do they feel heavy when you walk? Or maybe while climbing stairs you feel like your joints aren't working properly? In today's video, we'll talk about goodbye swelling. And we'll share 8 collagen-rich foods that will help keep your legs and joints strong, especially for seniors living in America. One of the most common yet overlooked problems in senior age is joint pain and leg swelling. In medical terms, these can be caused by arthritis, inflammation, or circulation issues. But the good news is, in our everyday foods, there are powerful nutrients, especially collagen-rich foods that can strengthen joints, reduce swelling, and make life more comfortable. We all know the American lifestyle is a bit different. Many people spend long hours sitting at work, some drive for several hours a day, and even after retirement, many continue working. This puts pressure on the knees, causes blood to pool in the legs, and leads to swelling. That's why the right diet can be your first medicine. Medical explanation: as we age, our body's production of a protein called collagen gradually decreases. Collagen is what holds our bones, joints, skin, and muscles together. If we call it the body's glue, we wouldn't be wrong. But with age, the body can't produce collagen as effectively. The result? Knee, pain joints, swelling fluid buildup around the ankles, making legs feel heavy, even reduced mobility. Doctors say eating collagen-rich foods regularly doesn't just help the joints, it also benefits the heart, skin, and digestion. Most importantly, these are natural remedies, meaning you can stay healthy simply through food at home. So why wait? Let's get started with 8 collagen-rich foods. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Seniors Healthy Tips. Collagen-rich food number 1, bone broth. First, let's talk about one of the most popular and proven sources of collagen, bone broth. In many senior households in America, bone broth has become a very common food. When beef, chicken, or turkey bones are slowly simmered, they release collagen, calcium, magnesium, and amino acids. Doctors recommend that drinking 1 cup of bone broth daily can boost collagen levels, strengthen joints, and reduce fluid buildup in the legs. How to consume it? Drinking 1 cup of bone broth before breakfast works best. You can also enjoy it as a light soup at dinner. In American supermarkets like Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, organic bone broth is easily available. Medical note: seniors with high blood pressure should choose low-sodium bone broth because many store-bought options contain high amounts of sodium. Collagen-rich food number 2, salmon. Next, let's move on to the second collagen-rich food, salmon. We all know salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. But what many don't know is that the skin and flesh of salmon also contain marine collagen, which is extremely beneficial for our joints. Omega-3 reduces inflammation in the body, while marine collagen directly strengthens joints and skin. For seniors suffering from knee pain or leg swelling, eating salmon regularly can provide significant relief. How to consume it? Doctors recommend eating grilled or baked salmon at least 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid deep frying salmon because high heat can destroy collagen. Instead, choose healthy cooking methods. Pair salmon with steamed vegetables for an even stronger anti-inflammatory effect. Collagen-rich food number 3, eggs. Many seniors often ask, should we eat eggs? The answer is absolutely yes. But there are a few things to keep in mind. The egg white contains an amino acid called proline, which directly supports collagen production. In addition, the thin membrane inside the eggshell provides collagen types I, V, and X, all of which help strengthen knees, ligaments, and bones. How to eat? Having 1 to 2 boiled eggs at breakfast each day is a great option. Seniors with cholesterol concerns should skip the yolk and eat just the whites. Collagen supplements made from eggshell membrane are now widely available in American pharmacies. Medical note: seniors with heart disease or high cholesterol should not eat too many egg yolks without doctor's advice. Egg whites, however, are safe. Collagen-rich food number 4, citrus fruits. The 4th collagen-friendly food is citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes. While these don't directly contain collagen, they're packed with vitamin C, which is the key ingredient for collagen production in the body. In medical terms, vitamin C acts as the catalyst for collagen. It speeds up the process. How to eat? Aim for at least 1 to 2 cups of citrus fruits daily. A glass of fresh orange juice or grapefruit juice in the morning works wonders. For American seniors, these fruits are very convenient since supermarkets carry them year-round. Medical note, seniors with acid reflux or GERD should avoid eating citrus fruits on an empty stomach. It's better to eat them after meals or between meals. Collagen-rich food number 5, berries. For seniors in America who care about healthy eating, berries are almost always in the shopping cart, and for good reason. These small fruits are a powerhouse for collagen production. Berries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help prevent collagen breakdown in the body. They also fight inflammation, reducing swelling and pain in the joints. How to eat? A cup of fresh berries at breakfast is very beneficial. You can also mix them with yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Blueberries and strawberries are widely available year-round at stores like Whole Foods, Walmart, and Costco. Medical note, seniors with diabetes can safely eat berries, but portion control is important since they still contain natural sugars, fructose.
Collagen-rich food. Number 6, garlic. Now let's move to another surprising yet powerful collagen-friendly food, garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds and taurine, which not only prevent collagen breakdown, but also help the body build new collagen. Studies show that eating garlic regularly not only reduces joint swelling in seniors, but also supports heart health. Doctors in America often call garlic a natural anti-inflammatory medicine. How to eat? Add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic to your daily cooking. Eating raw garlic on an empty stomach is also beneficial, though not everyone can tolerate it. Garlic supplements, capsules or tablets, are very popular in American supermarkets, a great option for those who can't eat raw garlic. Medical note, seniors taking blood thinners, like warfarin or aspirin, should consult their doctor before eating too much garlic, since it can increase the blood thinning effect. Collagen-rich food number 7, leafy greens. Many American seniors eat salads every day. But did you know that leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard not only provide vitamins and fiber, but also boost collagen production? These greens contain chlorophyll, the green pigment that stimulates the body to produce more collagen. They're also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and magnesium, which help keep bones, joints, and muscles strong. How to eat? Nutritionists recommend at least 1 cup of leafy greens daily. You can enjoy them raw in salads or lightly sautéed with olive oil. Fresh spinach and kale are available in nearly every American supermarket. Medical note, seniors with kidney stones or high potassium levels should eat spinach in moderation and consult their doctor. First, collagen-rich food. Number 8, chicken. Finally, let's talk about another easily available source of collagen, chicken. We often throw away chicken skin, but research shows that chicken skin is one of the best sources of type 2 collagen, which is especially important for cartilage, the cushion in our joints. How to eat? Eating lean chicken 2 to 3 times a week is recommended. You can have the skin in small amounts, but avoid deep-fried or processed chicken. Instead, go for grilled or boiled chicken. Organic chicken from local American farms is a healthier choice since it's hormone-free. Medical note, seniors with cholesterol or heart disease should eat chicken skin only in very small amounts or avoid it. Chicken meat itself is collagen-rich and safe. Summary. Dear senior friends, today we learned how simple foods can help reduce joint and leg swelling while boosting collagen naturally. Let's quickly recap: bone broth, rich in collagen, calcium, and amino acids. Salmon, one of the best sources of marine collagen, and omega-3. Eggs, egg whites, and the shell. Membrane support collagen production. Citrus, fruits. Vitamin C activates collagen building in the body. Berries, packed with antioxidants and vitamin C that protect joints. Garlic, sulfur and taurine help prevent collagen breakdown. Leafy greens, chlorophyll stimulates the body to produce more collagen. Chicken, especially the skin, provides a strong source of type 2 collagen. if these 8 foods are added properly to the American senior lifestyle, problems with knees, legs, and joints can be greatly reduced. Practical tips for American lifestyle. When shopping, always choose fresh produce, citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens. Include salmon or chicken in your meals at least twice a week. For breakfast, try eggs or a berry smoothie. In the evening or during cold weather, enjoy a warm cup of bone broth soup. Use garlic regularly in cooking, and if you want to try supplements, consult your doctor first. Remember, medicine is important, but food can often be your first medicine. Closing message. Friends, we can't stop aging, but we can choose to age gracefully and stay healthy. Let your legs feel light, your knees stay strong, and your life stay pain-free. That's the real goal of today's discussion. So let's all say together from today, goodbye swelling, welcome strong joints. If you found this video helpful, please share it so other senior friends can benefit too. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and always remember, health is the real wealth. Don't forget to subscribe to Seniors Healthy Tips and press the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Thank you for watching.